Good morning, friends. Session 41 Rank Correlation. Spearman rank correlation. Correlation means it is the determining or finding the relationship between the two or more series. Usually, two series has been taken and we compare what is the relationship between the two series. When it is plus sign is there, it is called as the positive correlation. They are thinking in the same direction. If they are getting the minus sign, they are in the opposite direction. However, the rank relationship, rank correlation, ranks has been given, and whether the two judges or more than the two judges are having the same opinion or not. It is studied in the rank correlation. In the earlier problems, we did the no equal ranks was there. What the judgments which has been given by the different judges, they are one to the other is entirely different. But in some cases, it is possible that same marks is given for the two or three persons at the time, as the marks which has been given for the two students, as the same is there at the time when equal ranks has been given. How the rank correlation shall be calculated? The formula has to be adjusted in the rank correlation if the equal ranks has been there. Here we shall take the one example of a rank correlation coefficient has to be calculated. The X judge has given 80, 78, 75, 75. See here, 75 marks which has been given for the two persons, two members. 68, 67, 60, 57. In the X series, they have given two ranks equally. Then Y, judge, who has given the marks 12, 13, 14 three times. Equal marks is there. When equal marks has been given at the time, how we can calculate the rank correlation? Then 16, 15, 17. So these are the marks which has been given. If the marks is given, ranks is not given directly, at the time what we have to do means we have to assign the ranks. Here, heading as the calculation of coefficient of correlation. Now, marks has to be here plotted 80, 78, 75, 75, 68, 67, 60, 57. Whereas the Y marks 12, 13, 14 three times, 16, 15, 17. Now we have to assign the ranks. As in the problem, they have not assigned the ranks, only the raw data has been given, the marks of the different students which has been assigned by the judge 1 has been given as 80, 78, 75, 75, 68, 67, 60, 57. If we assign the marks, that is the ranks for the marks, the highest will get the first rank. In this, highest is 80 first rank. Next, 78 second rank. 75, two members got the equal marks. That is the third person, third place and fourth place goes for the two different. But how we can assign means third and fourth. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 divided by 2, it is equal to 3.5. As the two members, they got the equal ranks. That is the 75, 75 as the 3.5 and 3.5. Third and fourth place has been opted by the two members. Now, next is fifth rank by the 68 marks. Sixth, 67. Seventh, 60 marks. 57, 8th rank. Now we have been assigned the ranks in the R. R1. Judge 1 has given the ranks according to him. The rankings priorities are plotted in the graph. Now, again, second judge, Y judge has given the marks here. Here, highest is it is the first one is 17. Highest is 17. 17 will get the first rank. Next is 16, second rank. 15, third rank. First, second, third. Then fourth, fifth, sixth. It has been occupied by the 3 members. 14 marks. Who got the 14 marks? If you add and divide, you will get the 5. You will get the 5. These 3 members who got the 14 marks will be assigned the ranks as the 555. Then 2 marks, that is the 13 will get the 7th rank. 12 will get the 8th rank. So in this way we have been assigned the ranks according to the judge Y. That is the, we have been denoted it as the R2. R2. Then difference between the first and the second judge, R1 and R2. Difference between, we have to ascertain here. 1 minus 8 minus 7. 2 minus 7 minus 5. 3 minus 3.5 minus 5 minus 1.5. In the same way, 3.5 minus 5 minus 1.5. 5 minus 5 is 0. 6 minus 2, 4. 7 minus 3, 4. 8 minus 1, 7. So these are the differences between the two judges, R1 and R2. After this, we have to apply the formula. For the formula says that 1 minus 6 sigma d square divided by n cube minus n. For that, we need the d square. What the differences? We got it from the R1 minus R2. Then we have to go for the d square. D square is equal to minus 7 into minus 7, 49. Minus 5 into minus 5, 25. Minus 1.5 into minus 1.5, it becomes the minus into minus plus. 1.5 into 1.5, 2.5. Minus 1.5 into minus 1.5, 2.25. 0 into 0, 0. 4 into 4, 16. 4 into 4, 16. 7 into 7, 49. We have to add the d square. D square means difference square. To apply the formula 1 minus 6 sigma d square divided by n cube minus n, we have to obtain the sigma d square. Here sigma d square is equal to 49 plus 25 plus 22.25 plus 2.25, 16 plus 16 plus 49. If we add this one, we get the 159.5 the sigma d square. Sigma d square means total of the d square. Then we have to apply the formula. Here the formula for the RS is equal to 1 minus 6 sigma d square plus 1 by 12 into, it is the m cube minus m cube minus m plus 1 by 12 into m cube minus m. Here in the first series, X series, how many equal ranks are there? 75 got the 2. 2 persons got the 75. That is why here m means 2. M means 2. Then minus 1 plus 1 by 12. Here m, if in the first series 75 got the 2 equal ranks, that is why m is equal to 2. In the same series, X series only, if any other equal ranks is there, that m continues. How many times it continues means how many times it has been repeated, that times the m has to be, you have to repeat. That adjustment m cube minus m by 12, this adjustment has to be done for how many terms it has been repeated. To that terms we have to adjust. Here in the first series 75 occurred 2 times. That is the m is equal to 2. M is equal to 2. Here 1 by 12 into m into m square minus 1. 2 into 2 square minus 1. Again, only 2 ranks has been repeated in the X series. In the same way, if you see in the Y series, 14 occurred 3 times. Here m is equal to 3. M is equal to 3. Now 1 by 12. Here m means 3. M square minus 1. 3 square minus 1. We have been substituted that it is the sigma d square is the 159.5. 6 is constant. 1 minus 6. Then n into n square minus 1. N means number of pairs. How many pairs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. N is equal to number of pairs or number of items, number of students, number of materials, whatever it may be, it has been given in the problem that we have to consider, we have to count. How many are there? Here in this problem, there are 8 are there. So, n is equal to 8. 1 minus 6 into sigma d square is 159.5 plus 1 by 12 into that is the m means 75 occur 2 times. That is why here 2 into 2 square minus 1 plus 1 by 12. Here 14 occurred 3 times. M means it is the 3. 3 into 3 square minus 1 divided by number of pairs are 8. 8 into 8 square minus 1. Then 1 minus that is the 6 into 159.5. It comes to 957 plus 1 by 12 into 2 into 2 square minus 1. 2 square, it is the 4. 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1, 3. 3 into 2. 6. 6 into 1, 6. 6 divided by 12, we'll get the 0.5. In the same way, plus here m means 3 because 14 occurred 3 times, m is equal to 3. 3 square means 9. 9 minus 1, 8. 8 into 3, 24. 24 into 1, 24. 24 divided by 12, it comes to 2. It comes to 2. Now, divided by, it is the 8 square. 8 square, it is the 64 minus 1. 64 minus 1, 63. 63 into 8, it is the 504. 1 minus, if you here minus 957 plus 0.5 plus 2, you will get, it is the value it comes to 1.90. 1.90. 1 minus as it is 957 plus 0.5, 957.5. 957.5 plus 2, 959.5. 1 minus 959.5 divided by 504. It comes to 1.90. It is equal to minus 0.90. What it is? RS. RS means rank correlation coefficient. The equal ranks has been appeared. If the same marks has been repeated, which has been given by the judges at that time, RS is equal to minus 0.90. Minus 0.90 is the RS, rank correlation coefficient. Here we can say that between the X and Y, the correlation coefficient is 0.90. There is high degree is there. But however, minus is there, high degree negative correlation. What the likes and dislikes of the X and Y are opposite in direction. If the X likes the one, the Y likes the other one. So their tastes are different from the each other. So this is how we can analyze from the RS. R means correlation coefficient. RS means rank correlation coefficient. From this we can analyze that here the minus 0.9 is the negative correlation. Negative correlation says that it is the high degree correlation. High degree correlation, that too there is no unanimity between the X and Y judges. So this is how we can interpret date, and it is helpful for us to give the decisions with regard to the what is the relationship between the X and Y series. X and Y series. Here there exists a strong negative correlation. Reference quantitative methods for business, CMG Code, Himalaya Publishing House. Thank you.